Hey there! This video will demonstrate how to send messages from PipeDrive using its integration with CommPeak SMS Platform. In PipeDrive, you can quickly contact your customers by SMS, right from your deal detail view. Go to Deals in the main menu and click the needed record. This will open the deal detail view. In the three-dot menu on the right, select Send an SMS. A window will pop up for you to enter all the necessary details of your message. In the From field, you need to specify a sender ID. You will be suggested the sender IDs approved in the CommPeak SMS platform. In the To field, specify the recipient's phone number. It will be autofilled from the contact details attached to this deal. But you can change it, or just enter the required number if there is none attached. Then, type the text you wish and click Send. That's all. Your message will be delivered to your customer. Thanks for watching.